the past 4 years, I've been honoured to be educated by some of the best teachers that Australia has to offer. They are thought leaders and progressive thinkers. They are inspired by challenges and excited about the impact that they can have on the world. These teachers have taught me many things, the most important being simply, imagine the possibilities. Aristotle said, "Those who know do, those that understand teach." These young people are my teachers, and they have taught me by example. Through them I have learned critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, problem solving, perseverance, motivation, metacognition, and self-efficacy. If you can imagine the possibilities, Buildermind would like to work with you to bring STEAM-powered programs to your school as co-curricular activities, incursions, or after-school programs.